Good morning, Anjana, Aditya, Sneha. Girls, Simran. Okay, Aarti. Nancy, Vaishnavi, Mansi. Anuja Sri. So we have only 13 participants. Then you have take out your copies, everybody. Write down few questions. Everybody, write down few questions. Which is the largest digestive gland? Write down which is the largest digestive gland in human body. Which is the largest digestive gland in human body and its function. And its function. Which is the largest digestive gland in human body and what is its function and what is its function. Answer. Write down answer, everybody. Tell me answer. All of you reply the answer. Reply quickly. Answer is correct, Aditya. Others, what are you all doing? Reply, all of you. Answer, liver and its function. Answer is liver, Sankar. What is its function? It helps in emulsification of fat. It helps in emulsification of fat, that is breakdown of large fat globules into small fat globules. Then next. Okay, then write down. Name the enzyme which initiates. Name the enzyme which initiates. Name the enzyme which initiates the protein digestion. Name the enzyme which initiates the protein digestion. Name the enzyme which initiates the protein digestion. Everybody reply. Why only 2 students are replying? Where are others? Everybody reply. Which enzyme starts protein digestion? You all are lazy fellows. And keep in mind, last day I blocked few students there. So those who are not replying there, I will block them. Either right or wrong, you have to reply. Answer will be pepsin. Trypsin is in small intestine and initiate means starting. Pepsin will start breaking down proteins into small into air stomach. Next, how do guard cells regulate the process of this answer? I dictate there. Everybody, better write down. Everybody, write down. How do guard cells regulate? How do guard cells regulate the process of opening and closing of stomatal pores? How do guard cells regulate opening and closing of stomatal pores? How do guard cells regulate opening and closing of stomatal pores? Answer you'll write. Everybody write the answer. Opening and closing of stomata. Opening and closing of stomata occur due to changes in opening and closing of stomata occurs due to opening and closing of stomata occur due to changes in turgor pressure, TURGOR, turgor pressure of guard cells. Opening and closing of stomata occur due to changes in turgor pressure, TURGOR, turgor pressure of guard cells. Turgor pressure of guard cells. When guard cells are turgid, TURGID, when guard cells are turgid, stomatal pore opens. When guard cells are turgid, stomatal pores open. When guard cells are turgid, stomatal pores are open. While in flaccid form, flaccid, FLACCID, flaccid form, the stomatal pores are closed. While in flaccid form, the stomatal pores are closed. Flaccid means lack of water or lack of fluidity, that is flaccid. Stomatal pores are closed. Then write another question. Okay, Vidya. Good morning. Then next you'll write. Almost respiration. Okay, Divya. Almost respiration I have taught. So today we will study something general things about respiration. Look here. Different target pressure means it's liquid pressure, fluid pressure. If the liquid is there, there will be pressure. For example, what do you think when you press your skin? What is that? There is some fluid that helps gives you pressure, just like jelly. That rigidity. Is it clear? Similar. The fluid pressure is your target pressure. Similar reply. Is it clear? There. Now see here. Next your topic is the revolution. A very short topic it is. Then the topic is diverse organisms. See here, different types of organisms are there. Plants, birds, microorganisms, insects. And these various organisms, anyhow, they have to live, they have to respire. All the organisms have to respire, but the way they respire differs. Means when all the organisms respire, something is common in all of us. That is, we start from the basic. What is the simplest carbohydrate every life? Name the simplest carbohydrate. Simplest carbohydrate all of you reply. So simplest carbohydrate is glucose. Only two students know simplest carbohydrate is glucose. Now see what happens. Glucose 6 carbon molecule. Glucose is having how many carbon molecule? Glucose is having 6 carbon molecule. How many carbon molecules? 6. Glucose is having 6 carbon molecule. This 6 carbon molecule means first, keep in mind, the first step in all the living organisms. First step in all the living organisms is breakdown of 6 carbon molecules. First step in all the living organism is breakdown of 6 carbon molecules in cytoplasm. Pay attention, glucose is 6 carbon molecule. Glucose is a 6 carbon molecule breakdown in cytoplasm. Glucose is a 6 carbon molecule. Means a molecule having only 6 carbon. Molecule having 6 carbon will break down in cytoplasm into pyruvate. Pyruvate. This pyruvate is 3 carbon molecule. Means next question you will answer is, does it happen in all the reactions? Yes. All the reactions means respiration, the first step. The 6 carbon molecule in cytoplasm will break down into 3 carbon molecule called pyruvate. And after this, keep in mind, after this the next process starts. If this particular pyruvate does not get oxygen, absence of oxygen, where in case the pyruvate does not get oxygen in case, this pyruvate will further convert into ethanol. Carbon dioxide plus energy. Ethanol will further convert into what? Ethanol is pyruvate will convert into ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. But if there is a lack means not in proper amount, very less amount, lack of oxygen. Lack of, and where this lack of oxygen takes place? In our muscle cells. Which cells? Muscle cells. If the lack of oxygen is there in the muscle cells, it will break down into lactic acid plus energy. Lactic acid plus energy. Next, you must have felt cramps. Keep in mind, pay attention while you are running, means after PT, when you come to relax, you all feel that, pay attention. After PT, listen here, when you come here to the class, you feel that all your muscles are paining. Muscles is having cramps. Muscles is having cramps because when you run fast, your heartbeat starts beating faster. Reason is there, you need a more oxygen, but oxygen is not supplied. All the oxygen is supplied where? To the muscles for running. In that case, when there is lack of oxygen, when there is what? Lack of oxygen in our muscle cells, what will be formed? Lactic acid and energy. When there is lack of oxygen in muscle cells, then lactic acid and energy. But if there is presence of oxygen, you all know which is called powerhouse of cell. All of you reply, what is called powerhouse of cell? Which cell organelle is called powerhouse of cell? Mitochondria. Only two students. So what happens is here, when there is presence of oxygen, when there is presence of oxygen in, when there is what? Presence of oxygen in mitochondria. Presence of oxygen in mitochondria, it forms your carbon dioxide, water vapor plus carbon dioxide, water vapor plus energy. In all the three cases, all of you write it down first. Write it down. And write properly. Or any doubt is there? Everybody reply, any doubt is there or clear? Reply, doubt is there or clear? Any doubt is there up to here? All of you reply. Okay. Then pyruvate simply against a three carbon molecule. Three carbon molecule. Say here one thing. Whatever the energy is released, everybody. You must have heard. Listen here. You must have heard some people accumulate wealth in the form of gold. Means if they have enough gold, means they are wealthy. Gold is also a direct form of money. When you sell gold, you will get money. Similarly, whatever energy will be produced, pay attention. Whatever energy will be produced during respiration, either it is aerobic, anaerobic, or in the absence of oxygen, all the cases the energy produced is immediately utilized to synthesize a molecule called ATP. One molecule is synthesized and it's called ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. Means, pay attention whenever, everybody listen here. Whenever energy is released, that energy we use. For example, some people use their money to fix them in bank account as FD. So whatever energy we release after expiring on organisms release, they store in the form of ATP, and this ATP is formed from ATP. ATP with the help of phosphorus linkage or phosphate linkage, it forms ATP. This is adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate. So this is ATP is called energy currency of cell. ATP is called and this ATP is used to fuel all other activities. All other activities means you are running, jumping, moving, whatever activities. For all activities, we need energy, and that energy is provided by ATP. All of you write down what is there in the board. Write down. All of you write down few questions. Describe holozoic nutrition in detail. Write down question. Describe holozoic nutrition in detail. Describe holozoic nutrition in detail using one example. Describe holozoic nutrition in detail using one example. Describe holozoic nutrition in detail using example. Then next question. Write a short note. Write a short note on different types of. Write a short note on different types of heterotrophic nutrition. Write a short note on different types of enterotropic nutrition. Next, list three events that occur during the process of photosynthesis. List three events that occur during the process of photosynthesis. Explain the role of stomata. Explain the role of stomata in this process. Explain the role of stomata in this process. Then next, why the small intestine in herbivores? Why is small intestine in herbivores longer than in carnivores? Why is long intestine? Why is small intestine? Why is small intestine in herbivores longer than in carnivores? Longer than in carnivores. Why is small intestine in herbivores longer than in carnivores? The next question. Name the glands present in the wall of stomach. Name the glands present in the walls of stomach. Name the glands present in the walls of stomach that release secretions for digestion. Name the glands present in the wall of stomach that release secretions for the digestion of food. For the digestion of food. Write three components of secretion. Write three components of secretion that are released by these glands. Write three components of secretion that are released by these glands. Write three components of secretion that are released by these glands. Then next, how is small intestine designed? How is small intestine designed to absorb digested food? How is small intestine designed to absorb digested food? Your next question. Draw a label diagram of cross section of leaf. Draw a label diagram of cross section of leaf. Then, last question. Mention the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Mention the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Written, everybody reply. Have you all written? Mention the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Mention the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. What was the second question, Nancy? Nancy, what was the second question? Reply. Second question is starting. What was the starting of the second question? Anything? Say quickly. Write a short note on different types of heterotropic nutrition. Okay. Then all of you define yesterday I asked you, density asked, double decomposition also asked. Then can anyone define 10% law? Any one of you, can you define what is 10% law? What do you mean by 10% law? Reply quickly, what is 10% law? What is 10% law? Reply quickly. Energy is transferred from one traffic level to another traffic level, or 10% of energy is transferred to when energy is transferred from one traffic level to another traffic level, only 10% of energy is transferred. The energy gets reduced in this way at every traffic level. Yes. Everybody reply. Reply quickly. Ten percent of the food eaten is that also you can say. Get reduced by how much percent? And towards growth and reproduction, average 10%. That is also correct. Simran, Nancy, Mansi. Anjana, did you reply? Anjana? Have you replied, Anjana? Your answer is correct. Okay. So whatever questions I have given, you have to solve and draw in copy. And all of you give your feedback and attendance. Everybody give your feedback and attendance. Give your feedback. Okay, good day, everybody.